Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is a quick way to make your home style apple raisin cinnamon rolls. So let's get started. Hi guys, today what I'm going to show you is how I make my apple raisin cinnamon rolls. So I have 2 cans of the apple filling. It is 21 ounces. I have 2 rolls of the cinnamon rolls. It's 2 12.4 ounces. I have 1 cup of raisins and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, along with, this says cinnamon, but I added sugar, so it's cinnamon and sugar and apple pie spice. So what I'm going to do now is open up my container. I'll be placing everything in my crock pot. So I'll open up my package. I'll place them on my cutting board. The icing I'll save for later. What I'm going to do is cut these into quarters. So now I'll take the quartered pieces of the cinnamon roll. I'll drop them into my crock pot. You want to put them all on the bottom. So that was 1 package on the bottom. What I'm going to do now is place a little bit of raisins on top. Now I'll open up my apple filling, and then I'll pour the apple filling on top. I'll place this whole can on top of the cinnamon rolls that I just quartered. Now I'll spread it around. To this, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of the cinnamon and sugar, and then a tablespoon of the apple pie spice. So here is the apple pie spice. Now I'll get the cinnamon and sugar. I'll sprinkle that on top. Before I cut up the second package of the cinnamon rolls, what I'm going to do is pour 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream on top. I have 2 cups here, but I'm only going to pour in 1 cup. Pour it all around. That'll do it. Now I'll go cut up the cinnamon rolls into quarters. Now I'll open up my second cinnamon roll. I'll just place them on my cutting board. Save the icing for later. Now I'll cut up these cinnamon buns into quarters. Now I'll place the second roll of the cinnamon buns. I can really smell the cinnamon, it smells good. And this is all done in your crock pot. A one-pot breakfast dessert. Now I'll place the raisins on top. It was a total of 1 cup of raisins, so I put half a cup on the first layer. You don't have to put the raisins, but I like it on here. Now I'll place the second can of apple filling right on top of the raisins and biscuits. I'll spread it around. Now I'll place a tablespoon of the apple pie spice and a tablespoon of the cinnamon and sugar on top. And a tablespoon of the cinnamon and sugar on top. So here is the apple pie spice and a tablespoon of the cinnamon and sugar on top. I'll sprinkle that on top. And then the rest of the heavy whipping cream. Pour that on top. This breakfast dessert is a hit with my family. So put the lid on. I have my crock pot on high. And you'll cook this for about 2 hours, but check on it. Smells good. It's been 1 hour, so now I'm going to check on it. Ooh, look at that. What I'm going to do is kind of mix it around, blend everything in. Ooh, it's looking good. So I mixed everything around. It smells delicious. So now I'll wait another hour because it's not quite ready. You can tell that the cinnamon rolls are still a little soggy, so it's not quite ready yet. That one looks good. I'm going to try this one because it does look like this one's done. Good. So now I'll put the lid back on, give it another hour. It's been 2 hours, so now I'll take the lid off. Oh yeah, that looks really good. It smells good. So now I'll give it a try. This smells really, really good. So what I'm going to do now is put a little on my plate. I saved the icing, so I'll pour a little icing on top. Or you could have this with ice cream. So this is a nice breakfast treat. So I'll put a little on a plate, give it a try. I'll turn my crock pot off. Put the lid back on. So now I'll take a little bit of that glaze, pour it on top. You can also have ice cream with this. That would be great. This is a nice breakfast treat, so I'll give it a try. I got that nice glaze, piece of apple, some raisin, cinnamon roll. The perfect bite. Really good. Deserves a second bite. This is really good. Enjoy. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryls Home Cooking and watching me make my apple raisin cinnamon rolls. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.